Hey everyone, this is my first Dutch pour with a blow dryer, and I am out of Floetrol, so I am doing it just like Rinska does with just water and paint. So I've mixed my titanium white with water, and I'm using gold and rose, and all my paints are from Southern Green. The gold and the rose as well have only water in them, so I mixed them out to a really nice thin consistency. And now I'm just spreading out the white, and I'm doing it just like Rinska. So I use the blow dryer to blow out the white over the canvas as the base. I think this helps because it gives a nice thin coat of white all over. I think from videos I've seen and everything for Dutch pours, it seems like a nice thin layer of very runny white paint is the best. And then when you're pouring your white around your puddle, you want to go heavy on the white. So let's see. So I'm going to start with the rose, and you'll see now how it's nice and thin. And then I went for the, oh yeah, phthalo blue as well, sorry. And that's Southern Green as well. And I went to pour, and then I realized that it was a bit too thick, so I added a bit of water. Yes, I'm actually kind of obsessed now with the Dutch pours with the blow dryer. It's a lot of fun. Super quick, which is, I guess, not the most satisfying acrylic pour technique, but it's super fun and you get a great result. So I cannot wait to experiment with different colors. So I'm just thinning it out with a bit of water, and I popped some air bubbles in the cup because there was loads of them. I probably used too much. I'm not going to really say too much color because of I think the end result was really, the colors were just super vivid and it worked well for me. But I guess if you're going for the more Rinska's pour, you might want to use a bit less. So I just sprinkled some white over, pop in the air bubbles, and then I had a nice little gnat or something fly into my white. Got that out. And then this is where I go heavy on the white around. And now this is the part where you blow the white over. I'm sure everybody knows the basic technique of this air swipe Dutch pour. Now, at first I was kind of like, why go around with the white completely around the puddle? But then I realized when I did this that it kind of stops the paint from flowing off the edge. And then I was just in love when I did that. And I went to, well, you'll see here, I tilted it up a bit because there was lots of fun cell activity happening there at the bottom. And so I was trying to stretch those out a bit and get the paint flowing the opposite direction so they didn't flow, the cells didn't flow off the canvas. But as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. The colors just, they're so vivid. I'm in love with these paints. So I'm going to stick the torch on. You can see the rose is coming through. Super happy with this. This one is going in my daughter's room. She claimed it, so. Okay, and now I remember thinking, I did this last night, so I remember thinking, should I blow out some of the edges, but to get them softer, but I really was just happy with exactly how that pour went. And I was questioning the bottom as well. The bottom corner with the blue, the phthalo blue and the rose strip. But I just loved it. So I just left it alone. And that's me thinking. All right. So now I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. All right. So now I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. And look at those lovely rose cells. I love them. Love, love, love the colors. So yeah, I was shocked that I got this result with just water and paint. It's absolutely amazing. It's drying fabulous today. No cracking or crazing or anything like that. So I will definitely be doing some more of these. So comment below what colors you'd like me to do, because I'm always using the same colors. So give me 3 colors that you guys want to see me do the Dutch pour with. All right, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.